Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Format Painter in Google Sheets. This handy tool allows you to quickly copy and apply formatting from one cell or range to another, saving you a lot of time. You can replicate styles such as fonts, colors, borders, and number formats with just a few clicks. Look for the roller brush icon on your toolbar to get started. It's a powerful feature for maintaining consistent visual presentation across your spreadsheets. To apply formatting to a single cell or a contiguous range, first select the cell that has the formatting you wish to copy. Then, click the Format Painter icon one time. Your cursor will change, indicating the tool is active. Now, simply click on the single target cell or drag your mouse across the desired range. The formatting will be instantly applied, making your sheet look uniform. For applying formatting to multiple, non-contiguous cells or ranges, the process is slightly different. Begin by selecting the cell with the formatting you want to copy. Instead of a single click, double-click the Format Painter icon. This locks the tool, allowing you to click on as many separate cells or drag over as many distinct ranges as needed. When you are finished, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard to turn off the Format Painter. Sometimes you might need to remove formatting. Select the cells, then navigate to Format in the menu bar and choose Clear Formatting. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+Alt+/ on Windows or Command+Option+/ on Mac. Remember, the Format Painter only copies visual styles, not the actual cell content or formulas. Always take a moment to double-check your applied formats to ensure everything looks exactly as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.